In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, the concept of learning to earn has taken center stage, particularly through the proliferation of online courses. Harnessing your unique skills and transforming them into a source of income can be both rewarding and lucrative. Learning to package your expertise effectively is pivotal in creating a course that educates and earns. The journey begins with identifying your niche. Consider your background, experiences, and passions. What sets you apart? Perhaps you're an expert in graphic design, culinary arts, or financial planning. The key lies in pinpointing the subjects where your knowledge exceeds that of your audience, making you the ideal guide on their learning journey. Once your niche is defined, the next step is crafting well-structured content. A comprehensive syllabus is crucial. It acts as both a roadmap for you and a promise to your learners. Break down your topic into digestible modules and incorporate a variety of teaching methods to cater to different learning styles. Engage learners with a mix of videos, quizzes, and assignments that reinforce the material. Remember, clarity and simplicity are paramount. A course that overwhelms can deter even the most eager students. Marketing your course effectively is the next step in ensuring its success. Utilize social media platforms to reach a broad audience and establish your authority. Showcase testimonials, offer promotional discounts, and run targeted ad campaigns to capture interest and convert it into enrollments. Building an email list can also enhance your direct reach, providing a valuable channel for engagement and updates. Finally, maintain the quality and relevance of your course. Regular updates aligning with industry advancements not only enhance value, but also inspire trust and foster a loyal learner base. Continuous improvement is the key to sustaining success in this competitive field. By leveraging your expertise with strategic planning and marketing, you not only stand to gain financially but also create a ripple effect of knowledge, empowering others in the process. In this digital age, transforming your know-how into a thriving online course is a step forward in the journey of lifelong learning and earning. Want more proven side hustle ideas? Follow and subscribe now. If you're ready to start earning extra income immediately, www.kill9to5.com.